Here. All right, the stairwell is done.
It's a thing of true and rare beauty.
All right, the boys want me to go look at it. I have not seen it yet.
Don't look real fucking close.
So I'll bring it live. Ryan says don't look too close. So.
That ain't what I said. Hit it, boy.
All right. I know my wife gave them specific instructions on what post goes where and whatnot. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wow. Man. Man, all I can say is good work. Beautiful. I'll have to tell Ryan though, I think she wanted the deer panel in that panel. Yeah, he'll string me up if I come out and say that. But I'll say it anyways, just for the fun of it. Wow. Cedars all from our backyard. All these cedar posts. Man, that looks just sharp, doesn't it? Wow, I can't believe that. We'll be walking by that every single day. Beautiful. The American flag right there. I don't think you can get any better than that. Nice job, boys. Let's take one last look from here. Wow. That's a thing of beauty right there. Beautiful.